What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Mini Trades back with another YouTube video, and today we're going to be talking about the significance of a candle close. Now, we hit some nice trades. We hit AMIX, right, for 129 ads, and then scaled off on the way up to 150, which was a nice trade. And then LGVN from 430s to 480s from our pre-market plan from the dip all the way to highs. So those were two trades that we took today. We were talking about shim as well, but I do want to talk about the candle close significance because I saw it play out. So let's get right into it. You guys can see a high volume candle come in right here, right? 2 million shares come in and a lot of volume is rolling in. And where is the candle close, right? For example, a candle close on this stock, we saw a pop to 330 and we closed at 320, which means sellers are sitting here. But if you look at the candle close here, right, the candle close is pretty strong, right? We went to 314 and we closed at 309. So that tells me, hey, buyers are still strong here. But why did it dump? Probably because buyers didn't have enough shares or maybe not enough liquidity to make a bigger move. So we come down and grab stop losses, right? Most traders probably have their stop losses under 280, which was this candle open. So they grab the stop losses and accumulate shares and then start to make that move up. But you know that you can start to know the significance of this liquidity sweep based off the candle close before. Once you see a candle like this, it's not as significant, even though it does look pretty strong. And it's following a trend, right? But when you see a candle close like this, for example, a super strong candle close, you see the pullbacks into this level, right? It's holding previous structure or previous resistance. That's a very nice entry when you see a candle close like this or like this. So when you see a candle close like this, it's a little bit weaker. But when you see a candle close like this, it's a lot stronger, right? So this also played out as well in pre-market where you come down, you grab stop losses below this, and you make that move back up from level to level, 314 all the way back to 330, right? So same thing over here. You could make a level to level move from 280 back to 307. You pull back, you hold on this candle close structure and start to make that move back up. So that's super simple. Watch how the candles are closing, watch the volume, and look for good entries based off of volume and candle closes, right? Candle closes will tell you the story, and analyzing each candlestick is very, very important. So now let's take a look at that AMIX trade. We did take an AMIX trade at this 130 area, and it was simply, this was a daily level right here, right? I went to the daily chart and I saw, hey, we were like at 129. I was like, hey, where can buyers step in? So I saw this lower wick and I marked it out. And I was like, okay, if we pull back into this, we probably see a nice move, right? So simple as that. Hold this level. We'll probably head towards back up to like 160 area. We did not exactly hold that level. We didn't tap it exactly, but I was looking at the tape and I saw this lower wick, right? This lower wick, we basically cracked below it and grabbed stop losses, right? This is where buyers are. And we break below it, hunt stop losses and close over this. So this is when I'm like, all right, super impressive, right? We're grabbing stop losses. We might not need to touch this level. And if we look at the time of the entry on 907, 907, which is 1007 market time right here, which was this right here, 1008, right? This was the entry that we took, and then we had a nice move. Had about 20% remaining for that move to 150. That's where I sold out. And overall, pretty nice trade, right? So why did I take this trade if it didn't touch this exact zone? Well, I just talked about this lower wick, but then also if you look at this 5-minute candle close, right? The 5-minute candle close was right here, 130. We pulled back. Typically what happens in a candle close like this is that you start to see a pretty big move down because that is not a good candle, right? That is like, okay, well, sellers are absorbing this, right? But once you pull back into a level, right, and you see soaks with the candle close like this, you're basically holding, there's leftover buy orders in this gap. So that's exactly what we were holding. And rather than just completely dumping on this 5-minute candle, we're holding up, right? So when you see a stock that should be falling down, but it's holding up, that's telling you, hey, there's still leftover buyers here. And that's how I use the candle close on this stock and WNW to kind of analyze, on shim to analyze what's going on. I still think shim is a pretty nice trade opportunity overall, probably towards like right around like 310, 305, just this area. Can set up and then start to head towards that 350. So to keep, I told my team to keep watching shim, but it is currently 10:07 Central Time, 11:07 market time, and I'm done for the day. We've already hit some nice trades, so pretty much an hour work day, but then I just kind of chilled around with my team. So if you guys want to come trade live with me every single day for free, for absolutely for free 7-day trial. You guys check out the top link in the description. Come join me. We have lessons, we have live training, we have interactions in the chat all day long until close. So it's a beautiful community. You guys check that out. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you guys drop a like, subscribe, turn on post notifications. More and more education is coming. Other than that, it's been Minnie. Peace.